Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back with our video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a selected style drop in 2022. Like for example these songs. So as you can hear, this new style is a bit more organic and a little bit deeper than the style it used to be. So we're gonna make a song in that style. First we're gonna start off with a vocal. I already dropped in this one from the motion pack, sounding like this.
So put your body on my body with my body on your body, oh.
So now we're gonna write the melodic elements of the track. So we're gonna start off with a bass. We'll be using that typical Reese bass you hear in a lot of songs. So let's pick a preset from the motion pack. We'll be using this one. It's that typical Reese bass you hear in a lot of songs. So the vocal says we're working in C sharp minor. So let's start off on the root note.
Body on my body with my body.
Then go up to the F sharp.
Body on my body with my body on your body, oh.
Then I want to go down to the A.
Body on my body with my body on your body, oh. So
yeah, that works perfect.
Body on my...
So now we're gonna mix it. First I want to get rid of the low end because I want to have a rhythmic sub playing. So just clean that space out for the sub end. Then some OTT to open it up a little bit more. Reverb and delay. Because it's a top bass, so we don't have any reverb or delay on the sub end. Again, just cleaning it up with EQing because the highs are a bit too harsh to make room for the lead sound as well. Open up the stereo image just a little bit as well. Some more EQing just to boost the low mids at 800 Hz. Basically the punch of the sound. And of course the sidechain to finish it off. So now we're gonna dive into sub bass. As I said, I want to have a rhythmic sub, so we're gonna go for another preset from the pack. It's this saw bass. So let's write the melody. Gonna be fairly simple, just like this. So let's see how it sounds. So most of the time this rhythm with this length of notes works really well in this style. So it does for this song as well. Together sounding like this. So we got a bass ready, but the song misses something, so we're gonna add a lead sound to it. We'll be using this preset. It's quite an organic saw lead. So the melody gonna be inspired by the vocal. So let's see how it sounds again.
Body on my body with my body on your body, oh. So put your...
So it's basically gonna support the vocal. That is perfect, so let's see how it sounds with the vocal.
Body on my body with my body on your body, oh.
Yeah, it's really dope, it really follows the melody of the vocal, so now we're gonna mix it. First I wanna get rid of the low end. Just to be sure. Then open up a stereo image quite a lot because we have the bass in the center and then the lead on the sides. Then the OTT to open it up some more. reverb and delay. Another EQing to boost the mid frequencies at around 3K. So at around here. And a little bit of the high end. And of course the sidechain to finish it off. So we got the bass and leads ready, so now it's time to add the drums in. First of all, we're gonna start off with this kick drum. And this simple drum loop. Again, just a little bit more organic drum loop. Sounding like this. That will be the first part of the drop. Then I added these crash sounds. And snare roll. To make a transition to the second part of the drop, where I'm gonna add this drum loop. Just to keep it moving, to add some more elements to it. So that's it for the drums. Fairly simple, but it really does the job, so there's really no need to overcomplicate them. So basically we got a foundation of the drop ready, so I thought let's add some more elements to the second part of the drop, because then the vocal is not playing. Or well, I added these ad-libs from the sample pack. Which just fills it up real nicely. So together sounding like this. So the goal is to add some more atmosphere to it, to really fill it up. I also added this ARP sound, which is just another preset for the pack, with a simple melody. I also added some more ambiances with these tonal loops from another sample pack. So together all the melodic background elements sound like this. This is just a really nice fill up to the song. Fits really well in the background. So it basically takes your track from this to this. So that's basically how you make a modern selector style drop in 2022. I think it's a really dope song, it really fits the genre, so we're gonna listen to the final result in a minute. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Nobody else but us on this dance floor.